In this course, I will take you from a complete beginner to an advanced level, showing you how ethical hackers use Python to test and secure networks. What you will learn through this course is setting up a virtual lab using VirtualBox, learning Python from scratch, no prior experience needed, creating network security tools like MacChanger and ARP Spoofer, writing packet sniffer, keylogger, and backdoors, website hacking techniques, and vulnerability scanning. This course is completely hands-on. You will be writing code, running real attacks in a safe environment, and learning cybersecurity techniques step by step. Who's this course for? Beginners who want to learn Python and hacking, aspiring ethical hackers and penetration testers, cybersecurity enthusiasts who want to explore offensive security. So, by the end of this course, you will have built your own hacking tools, understood how hackers operate, and learn how to protect yourself and others from cyber threats. So, if you're ready to start your journey into the ethical hacking, let's dive in.